Khona enye into engicela ukuyilungisa encane nje. eh Ayikho into yakho njengomntwana kaNkuluNkulu ekusathana. Ayikho into yakho njengomntwana kaNkuluNkulu engakafiki kuwe noma ebekumele ifike kuwe yangafika kuwe ekusathana njengamanje. I think we give the devil too much credit than scripture allows. Ongasuka ukusho mzalwane wami ukuthi you came back from this past weekend with a heightened level of understanding on how to access izinto that you were meant to possess kodwa ngenxa yezinqumo ozithathile noma yezono ozenzile noma yokungalaleli ukuthi wenze noma ungenzi ebekuthiwa kwenze noma ebekuthiwa ungakwenzi, wasutholakala ungazitholi lezi zinto ebekumele uzithole. But it's not that zibanjwe isitha. No. Your lack of understanding, your complacency, your rebellion is to blame, not the devil.